see the areas along the roads which are mowed and think of the possibilities of how much more supportive it could be for wildlife.
So this is an example. Why does this need to be mowed? This is two Christmas stories, one of Jeff being naughty and one being nice. So there's one of those areas across from the side garden that the township mows. And a couple months ago I decided I was gonna see if I could prevent them from mowing. So I planted this little Charlie Brown tree. It's actually a cherry laurel. And I put a T-post in to maybe help prevent them from mowing it over. And I put leaves around it for mulch, and they always blow it away and I keep putting them back. But it survived. This naughty little elf is gonna push it a little further. There is some very interesting research on the impact of feeding birds with bird feeders. I would just say you have to clean it for sure. But one of the things I recently read was that birds that are fed seed during the winter tend to be healthier, heavier, have bigger eggs, and have a more successful time in raising their young. So I'm going to install a bird feeder in the green space for the birds. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, birds. I'm not trying to be naughty. I just want to support wildlife. And because it's green and the bird feeder is way up high, I'll bet most people don't even notice that it's there.
The bird feeder is only to supplement the natural seed from native plants.
I've been looking at Google Maps and I think I can make it work. So there's this young kid, actually a young adult, and he was out walking and came across the garden. And he lives in a townhome, 0 lot line with a very small patio, and he wanted to know what he could do with that space. So I went for a visit. So when I visited Stephen, he told me about his father using the Merlin app to identify birds by song. He also mentioned that the hummingbirds were visiting a trumpet vine on his patio. So I mentioned to him that there was a bluebird in the area because I could hear it singing a couple houses away, and I mentioned, hey, maybe we could add a bluebird house to your area. He seemed really excited about that, so we're going to try to make that happen today. I've already gone back behind Stephen's house. It's not easy to get to, so I'm going to use a bag to carry everything just so I can get through the woods easier.
May love and peace be with your loved ones this season. Happy holidays. I wish you, your family, and friends a healthy, happy, and prosperous 2026.